a mass M connected by two springs. Okay? In dealing with harmonic oscillator, of course, you need to find out the constants, no? Let's assume nga lain-lain ni sila, no? K1 and let's say this is K2. Okay? And we can assume that here, this is separated by a distance, let's say, L naught. Okay? Or let's just use A. Okay? Now, of course, the equilibrium of the mass is at x equals 0. Pwede na siya buhaton. So, notice that after some time, let's say this naadiri ang mass, ato na lang ana ang mass, no? And then this will be this is stretching and this will be compression. Nakuha? Okay? Stretching and this will be compression. Okay? So, let's take this displacement as x. That one. Okay? This one, this is x. The position of that. So it will go back and forth in x to, from negative x to positive x. Okay. Now, let's understand now. First, of course, wala problema ang kinetic energy. The kinetic energy is as 1/2 m x dot squared. How about the potential energy? How many potentials do we have here? Okay. So, the spring, pag-abot diri, let's take this as x. Now, of course, if mo ano tag-harmonic oscillator, kailangan nato i-take note ang ihang unstretched length. Okay? Meaning, let's denote, kumbaga pa, atong ikuan ang, let's just take this as L, and let's take the unstretched length of this as A, and B. Ano kailangan man nato ng unstretched length? Of course, because if this is the equilibrium of the spring, and let this to be some A, pag imo na siyang ano, what is the, unsay kinahanglan, di ba? It's not based on this position relative dire, but it will be based on the unsa siya kalayo from the equilibrium position. Okay? So whenever dealing with harmonic oscillator, you have first to think about the unstretched, the equilibrium length. So, meaning that this will now be, okay, this will be delta x, in which we know that if we label this now as x, then this will be 1/2, the potential here will be 1/2 k times x minus a squared, right? That's the change. So, muna inyong kuanon. Sa harmonic oscillator, ang importante ang deformation sa spring from the equilibrium. Okay. So, meaning that that's why we need to know the unstretched length of this. So, let's take lahi-lahi nga spring, no? A and B. Okay? A and B. So, meaning, what is the potential due to the first spring? Okay? That would be V1 would be equal to 1/2 K1 times what is the kumbaga pa, the unstretched length. I mean, the deformation, that would now be what? Is it 1/2 kx squared? Is it 1/2 kx squared or not? Or 1/2 x minus a. Dili po ni siya. What is x minus a? X minus a doesn't make sense. Dili na ito gibutang x. So I think the best way to do this, because ani man gud na siya. Suppose that the equilibrium of this, suppose that this is A, and let's say that this is B. And atong gibutang ang x sa tunga-tunga, maglisod tag identify ani. We have to take, I mean, di man maglisod. Of course, this is just actually, if this is separated by a length L, this means nga kaning dire is just L over 2 minus A, right? And this is L over 2 Okay? This is just L over 2 plus L over 2 minus B. Kani siya. Okay? Mao ni ang center. But that would be much more complicated. So let's just put the center. I mean, the X so good dire. So this is now our X. So clearly, this spring, okay, so let's put B dire ha. Ana. This spring has compressed by, in this case, pag ibutang nato diri ang 0, okay, na diri ang 0 nato, this has stretched by x minus a. So meaning, this will now become, this is now correct. Okay, dili to siya correct when we put our x here. Now, what if we put our x at the center? What would that be? What would be the form of this? Okay, dili na ko na siya i-answer karon, but I want you to solve that on your own. Okay? What would happen if mauning A, mauning B, and I put my x equals 0 at the center, meaning that I will describe motion dire from minus x to x. Okay? Mao na ako ang x dira. Okay? What is now the potential? So I want you to solve that on your own. Okay? Ang sa equilibrium No, I'll just put the center. I mean, I'm not saying that this is equilibrium. Okay? Meaning that I'll put the system L man ni, diba? So meaning this is negative L over 2 and L over 2. And of course, B is taman siya, wala gani siya kabot dire, right? Meaning unsa may mahitabo pag akong ibutang dire ang spring. Unsa may mahitabo? There will be stretching in spring 1 and there will be stretching in spring 2. Sabtan? Na stretching, both sila will be stretching. Right? Kay, di ba, kani mo abot siya dire. So, mo stretch siya. And how about this one? Mo stretch gyapon siya, right? So, pwede na siya mahitabo. Okay? I am just saying that what would be the equation if I put at the center of, this is L, and sa tunga niya is ang x equals 0. It's not, I'm not saying that's the equilibrium position. Okay? It will be the equilibrium position if pareho ni siya nga spring tanan. But we have a different springs, different constants. Okay? And different unstretched lengths, A and B. So meaning, this would remove all, this will this will remove all the symmetries of the in the problem. Okay? So that would now be my potential, V1, and how about my V2? Okay? And V2 is of course, tanawan ninyo ni siya. Nakadiri ang kuha na to, right? So this will now be my delta x2, right? Kana siya. This is my delta x2. While this one, asa tong ganiha, this one was my delta x1, right? This is my delta x2. X sub 2. Okay, what is that delta x sub 2? This is now 1/2 K2 times what is delta x sub 2? Well, note that compared to B, tanawa, naadiri ang B, no? Straight nato ni siya diri, naadiri ang B. And naadiri atong X. So meaning, this one here is, this length will be X minus what? Okay, how do you express this length now? Kani siya dire. Nadiri akong X, nadiri akong B. Well, of course, we can just calculate this distance here. This distance will be L minus B, right? Taman dire. Tama? So, sa ato pa, this one here, kay mo man itong naman ta dire, no? This is asang L minus B. Ang L minus B is kana kay B man ni, right? We have to find this point relative sa ato ang coordinate system. Of course, we have to base everything sa atong coordinate system in which naa dire ang 0. Okay? So, this one now here, we asa na to? Kani nga ano mismo will be L minus B. And this is our X dito. So, sa ato pa, this length here is X minus L minus B, right? So, that would be X minus L minus B squared. Right? Okay? So, our Lagrangian now would be equal to 1/2 times M X dot squared plus, minus V, so minus the sum of this, so minus 1/2 K1 X minus A squared minus 1/2 K2 saan ni siya? X minus L plus B squared. Okay. Now, of course, from here, di lang ako ipadayon sa differential equations of motion, no? I'll stop at the Lagrangian. You know how to solve this. Okay? How about the Hamiltonian? What's the Hamiltonian? Well, it's just T plus B, right? This is a purely conservative system and independent. The Lagrangian is not a function of time. So, we can just say that H is equal to T plus V. So, this is just equal to 1/2 M X dot squared plus this. K1 X minus A squared plus 1/2 K2 X minus L plus B squared. And of course, you will now have your differential equations. Okay? And you can use this or you can use that.